Oh no. Hey, long time no see. Today's gonna be a bit of a quick one. I got some packages in the back, so let's go get those out. Oh, beautiful. This is exciting. It does come with stickers. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Now that the fun part's done, let's get the tools, get the old plates off, and the new ones on. Grab a 12 just in case. Yep, it's a 14. No, it's not. It is a 12. Ooh, I'm losing my touch with my tools. Let's make sure that doesn't fall on me. Ay, ay, ay. Ow, hit my head already. Come on. I think you guys just hate when the bolts get stuck in the sockets. Just gotta throw a bit of hissy fit and it's out. Sometimes when you take it to a shop to get some work done, they don't put the right size bolts back on. You I had the same issue last time. The same frickin' bolt. Look at that, slow and steady, got it. I should probably go give this a wash, but that's for another day. It's cold out here. Insulation guide, there we go. 24 plus Tacoma, no. There we go. Install bolts with washers and 2 round 3/8 thick spacers at the rear. Alright, cool. Engine plate first. Alright, so all bolts get a washer. Set them to the side so it's easy to grab when I have the plate on top of me. Washers, and I'm assuming these long ones get the spacers because that's why they're long. But, oh, there you are. Alright, let's get this honka-tonker under here, and I am going to hand thread everything in because with my luck I'm going to cross thread stuff on the first ugga dugga. Let's get the keys out of here. Hey, you like my new hat? It says 4Runner. There they are. Bullets, I need some bullets. give me the bullets. Oh, that's not a mounting point. That's... Oh. Oh, I'm confused. Oh, of course bolts are a different size. 13s, not 12s. Gosh dang diddly. Gosh diddly dang. My extension's too short. My extension isn't extended enough. Oh, my hands are almost too cold to feel anything. There we go. All right, let's to the front here. Get the front bolts on. Loosely, because I still got to install the filler plate. It was tight. It's fucking tight. Yeah, it's tight. Oh, I did it. Oh no. And just like that, I also got an oil change. Now the exhaust is all custom built, so it's really no one's fault. Nobody knew the gussets were going to be right there. But what they did was just heat up the exhaust, bang it a little bit, make some clearance. Now it's still got way more flow than the stock exhaust, so I'm not upset about that. And while they were at it, I also got them to do an oil change as I was a little overdue, but now we're good. The engine plate, trans plate, and the filler plate is on, and oh boy does it look good. So shout out to Competition Muffler for squeezing me in to help me get that exhaust clearance that I need, and oil change, and back on the road.